All right, so we're in the last part of the next couple of videos is breaking it down by each provider or major provider anyway. That's going to show you how to submit your podcast. Okay, so sit back, let's enjoy the ride. Okay, so let's go to the screen there because I'm infamous for leaving a slate up and not recording. Let's go back to our dashboard. Go to podcast and settings, and where it says feed details. Okay, these are the four that it recommends, but we're gonna do a fifth one too for tune in, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first one that we're gonna do is going to be for iTunes. All right. So you're gonna do, I think it's podcastconnect.apple.com. Now when you go to podcastconnect.apple.com, if you don't have an Apple ID, you need to go create one. All right. And then we're gonna log in. So I'm gonna log in with this one. Let me log in with my password there. Once it logs in, it's gonna take you to a screen. Okay, and we're gonna add a podcast. Once we add the podcast there, basically we're going to go to where it says, not where it says, we're gonna get our feed there. All right, and then we're just gonna validate. Okay, awesome. All right, so where it says validate, you see there's an episode, there's season 1, episode 1, the fundamentals of podcasting. In this podcast, we're going to be learning basic podcasting. That's how it looks. Then you're going to say, okay, submit. Once you have submit, it say you're successfully submitted your podcast for Apple review. You will receive an email once the review process is completed. So this typically takes 24 to 48 hours, and then you're going to get an email that's going to say your thing has been approved. And you'll see once you go to Gmail, well, once I go to my Gmail on here, or whoever your email provider is that you have with Thing, you're going to see the confirmation. Apple's going to send you a confirmation. It hasn't sent it to me yet, but it's going to send me one. They typically do. Oh, I just haven't. No, there you go. Okay. Okay, so here we go. At no reply, it's a dear podcaster provider. Your podcast feed was successfully added and is now under review. iTunes Store Tunes. iTunes Store. So in a couple of days, you'll get a thing where it says it submit that to there. Okay, and it'll look like this, where it says it'll say Apple Podcast show approval. And then it'll say, dear, your podcast locator has been approved. Expect to see within the next few hours when it's available. Then it'll give you the link. And then that's where you take this link that Apple is going to give you here. And you just basically come, let's do a refresh. Let's do a refresh. Do a refresh. You'll see that it has been submitted. Okay. So that's when you'll go over here and you just copy and paste that link there, okay? But that's not our link, so we're not going to do that. But when it gets it, you put it on there, okay? So that's how you submit to Apple. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. And just remember, if you always want to get some hosting with us, you can always come over to xehostmasters.com